Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer invoice templates using Shopify Invoices, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start transferring invoice templates using Shopify Invoices, first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, navigate to the Apps section located in the left-hand menu. Find and click on Shopify Invoices from the list of installed apps. Once in the Shopify Invoices interface, look for the Templates option. Click on Templates to access the invoice templates available for your store. Here, you will see a list of existing templates. Choose the template you wish to transfer by clicking on it. You will now see the template editing interface. To start the transfer, click on the Export button, usually found at the top right of the screen. Select the format you want to export your invoice template as, typically PDF or CSV. After choosing the format, confirm the export by clicking on the Download button. Once the template is downloaded, go back to the Shopify Invoices interface. To import your template, click the Import button in the Templates section. Select the file you just exported from your device. After choosing the file, click the Upload button to initiate the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the upload is successful, you will receive a confirmation message on the screen. You can now customize the imported template if needed. Finally, save any changes you have made before exiting the template editor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.